Hi, I'm Jim Houston along with Craig Simpson. We've got a terrific exhibition game coming up.
There'll be hard shots, quick saves, and hopefully some big hits. Stahl wins the draw.
Advances the puck.
Varlamov intercepts the puck.
Rantanen. Rantanen
With a slap shot.
Carolina puts its second line out.
Ferland fired it hard.
Barry takes control of the puck. Landeskog. Brassard. Working along the perimeter, along the boards.
Andrigito with the puck.
Line 3.
Colorado needs to be making a line change soon. In the corner. Quick pass up. Moved ahead.
With a wrist shot, Mrazek denies him. Off the pads for the save.
Moved up. Passed ahead.
Williams has a breakaway.
Right in front.
Varlamov gets the blocker on it.
Moved ahead. Advances the puck. Brings it in. And out they come with a puck. McGean finds the loose puck. Barry. Jumps on the loose puck. Carolina needs to be making a line change soon. Pass back. Moved up. Cole takes control of the puck. McKinnon. Jordan Stahl gets a hold of it. Nemeth runs over Jordan Stahl. Nemeth finds the loose puck. Soderberg. Chris shot from the left. Soderberg got it. Culver corralled by Carolina out of their defensive end. The Hahn. Carolina puts its third line out. Niederreiter knocked him off the puck. Culver with it now. Brassard. Pesci grabs it.
Line 4.
Wrist shot denied by Mrazek. Passed ahead. Over the line. Played up. Blocked. Martineau shoots it quickly. Blocked. Barry jumps on the loose puck. Out over the blue line. Brings it in. With a wrist shot. Leg save.
He comes up with the puck.
Line 1.
Svechnikov takes control of the puck. The Hurricanes dump it in. Johnson gobbles it up. Rantanen in the first quarter. Working along the perimeter. Move back. Mrazek steals the pass. McGean with the puck.
The end of the first period is always interesting. This is when both teams will make adjustments to try to gain an edge in the second.
Come to guest services on the lower concourse to claim your...
Hello again, everyone. Welcome back.
We've got a close game brewing, so it should be a good one.
Jordan Stahl is a face-off king.
One of the best, no doubt about it. Stahl scores! He saw some net above the goalie's shoulder and fired it home. From the backhand to the back of the net in one smooth motion. The goalie had no chance on that shot.
Carolina gets the second period rolling with the first goal of the game.
Let's hope we don't have to wait another period for the second goal.
McKinnon. Rantanen jumps on the loose puck. Falk. The Hurricanes dump it.
Line 2.
Carolina picked it up. Aho gets the pass from Mrazek. Quick pass up. Pesci.
Nailed. They come together and it's a good hit.
Pesci shoots the puck. Williams scores.
A good wrist shot is hard to stop, and that was a good wrist shot.
They came out looking to increase their lead early, and they did just that.
The rest of the second should be smooth sailing if they keep this up.
Slavin takes control of the puck.
By number 40.
The Han gets hammered. Moved ahead. Advances the puck. Into the attacking zone. Moved up. Sephiroth with the puck. And Rakito. Slavin scooped it up. Varlamov stones him. Varlamov freezes the puck. Stahl won the faceoff. Varlamov stoned him. Stahl intercepts the puck. Aho picked it up. Culver shoves both offside. This man is one of the best around when it comes to the draw.
More often than not, he comes away with the puck, and that lets his team set the pace.
Landeskog jumps on the loose puck. McKinnon shoots. Varlamov, blocker save. Martineau takes control of the puck. Van Riemsdyk fires it hard. Colorado takes it. Brings it out. Played up. Van Riemsdyk finds the loose puck. He scores! Newsrooms across the country are queuing up that goal.
Jim, a classic hockey moment. He stepped into that shot big time and put it past the goalie.
The one-timer is hockey's quick strike, and he hammered that one home. Girard now with the puck.
Number 71. Assisted by
Carolina takes control.
Teuvo Teravainen.
Fairland. Oh, hard one-timer. Colorado now with it. Girard. Wilson grabbed it. Over the blue line. Played back. Mrazek slams the door shut.
Great follow-up save.
A delayed penalty called against Colorado. Aho shoots quickly. He's getting called for hooking.
And we've got a beautiful angle on this replay. Take a look.
There should be no doubt in your mind about the call. Carolina will be looking to exert some offensive pressure.
This is their chance to quiet this crowd down.
Varlamov gets a leg on it. Fairland jumps on the loose puck. Carolina puts its number 2 power play unit out. Up along the boards. Aho has his pocket pick. Johnson takes control of the puck. Slavin gets the pass from Mrazek. Ahead to the neutral zone. Walmark with the puck. Chris shot from the wing. Niederreiter got it. The Hahn shoots quickly. Pad saved by Varlamov. Nemeth gets nailed. He's with the puck. Out of their defensive end. Passed ahead. Across. Moved ahead. Moved up. Teravainen cranks one. Colorado needs to get a fresh line out there. Varlamov hangs on for the whistle. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Cole jumps on the loose puck. Landeskog gets checked. Niederreiter rips it. Nemeth picks up the puck from Varlamov. Landeskog. Carolina finds it. Walmark. Wrist shot. Landeskog takes over. Teravainen shoots it. Leg save.
Off the pads, no luck there.
Varlamov freezes the puck. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Brings it out. With a wrist shot. Scores!
This is what's so great about the wrist shot. It's not as fast as a slap shot, but it's quicker to get off and way more accurate.
Soderberg gets hold of the puck.
Number 37. Assisted by number
Culver, wrist shot. Girard gets it. Out over the blue line. Across. Carefoot.
And that's the end of the second period. 2 down, 1 to go.
Thank you for not smoking.
It's time for the third period. Think we'll see a comeback?
Jim, it'll be tough. With that kind of lead, it's easy to just stand at the blue line and shut things down.
Moved ahead. Moved up. Colorado puts its scoring line out. Passed ahead. Moved ahead. McGean dumps the puck in. Colorado has it. Cole. And out they come with a puck. In the corner. Fairland cranks it hard from the left. Landeskog with the puck. The Avalanche dump it in. Scooped up by Carolina. McKinnon checks Folk. McKinnon jumps on the loose puck. With a wrist shot, Razek stones him cold.
Pad save.
Jost. Nieto gets hold of the puck. Over the blue line. Careful thrashed. And they get called for icing. And Rikito takes control of the puck. Svechnikov. In over the line. Leg save by Varlamov. Martineau knocked him off the puck. He takes over. And Rikito.
Line one.
At center.
Line four.
In all alone. Wrist shot. Razek gets the blocker on it.
Close, but not close enough. The goalie made a great save.
Barry with the puck. And Limstein gets thrashed. Quick pass up. Brings it out. Center. Johnson jumps on the loose puck.
Line two.
Landeskog dumps it. Colorado has it now. And Limstein gives him Landeskog. Scores! He left that rebound in the wrong spot. No doubt about it.
Exactly. And they lit the lamp as a result.
Gabriel Landeskog, assisted by number 6.
Teravainen moved ahead. Moved up. Passed ahead. Teravainen gets hold of the puck. Colorado puts its checking line out. The Hahn knocks him off the puck. Grabbed by Carolina. Girard. He scooped it up. Aho. Jumped on by Carolina. Fairland.
Line two.
Stahl fires. Nemeth stops the shot. Blocked. Gets the shot off. He stops the shot. Aho. Out over the blue line. Centers it. Over the line. Colorado pulls the goalie and puts out the extra attacker.
Things are heating up. Let's see if they can pull it off.
With a wrist shot. Turned away.
What a save off the blocker.
Brassard grabs the puck. And out they come with a puck. Svechnikov pushes Cole. Quick shot, blocked. Svechnikov takes control of the puck. He steals it. Scooped up by Carolina. Van Riemsdyk. He gets crushed. Sephiroth with the puck.
Tonight's third star Carolina number 14, Justin Williams. Tonight's second star for Carolina number 11, Jordan Stahl.
From Denver, Colorado, this is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson.
Until next time, take care.
Goodbye.